In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize proposals for clients with multiple stakeholders. If you've ever faced challenges tailoring proposals for different decision makers, stick around. I'm going to walk you through a quick and effective approach. Let's start with the main issue. When you're dealing with multiple stakeholders, each person likely has different priorities. Some care more about cost, others about ROI, and some might focus on features or support. Your job is to address all these concerns in a single proposal while making sure you don't overwhelm anyone with irrelevant details. The first step is to identify the key stakeholders. This might seem simple, but knowing who's involved, whether it's the CFO, the operations manager, or the team lead, will give you clarity on their specific needs. Spend a few minutes understanding their roles and concerns before diving into your proposal. Next, break down the proposal by stakeholder focus. For example, for the CFO, focus on cost efficiency, financial benefits, and ROI. For the operations team, emphasize how your solution will streamline processes or improve performance. Tailor your sections so that each stakeholder can easily find the information that's most relevant to them. Now here's a crucial tip: personalize the language. A proposal with generic language won't resonate with anyone. Use specific terms that relate to their department's goals. For the CFO, mention metrics like cost reduction or long-term savings. For the marketing team, highlight customer engagement or lead generation. To make your proposal even more engaging, use visuals where possible. Diagrams, charts, and graphs are great ways to communicate complex ideas quickly, and they can also make your proposal more visually appealing. Plus, visuals help break up long blocks of text, making it easier for everyone to skim through and find what they care about. Another important point is to provide options. Stakeholders might have different levels of approval, so offering tiered options can give them flexibility. For example, a basic option, a standard option, and a premium option allow each stakeholder to review different levels of investment and choose what aligns best with their department's goals. Don't forget to highlight the collaborative benefits. Since your proposal is being reviewed by multiple people, it's important to show how your solution will benefit the company as a whole. Emphasize cross-departmental advantages like improved communication, streamlined processes, or a unified platform that brings everyone together. Finally, wrap up with a concise summary of how the solution meets each stakeholder's priorities. Reinforce the idea that you've tailored this proposal specifically for their needs. This is a crucial step to ensure everyone feels heard and that their concerns are addressed. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly remind you that if you're looking for a solution to streamline your proposals and improve collaboration with multiple stakeholders, the software we'll be using today is a great tool to help you do just that. I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: when customizing proposals for clients with multiple stakeholders, it's all about personalization, clarity, and addressing each person's specific concerns. Focus on their priorities, use visuals, offer options, and highlight the collaborative benefits. To quickly recap, identify stakeholders, break down the proposal by their priorities, personalize the language, include visuals, provide options, and highlight the overall company benefits. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below, and thanks for watching.